Oh hey guys, today we're going to install the hood and the front two doors. And Buddy, he moved to Hawaii so that he could start ice road trucking. I was never a fan of these hinges, but I'm hoping that by the time I finish the car, I will have detailed them enough to where I don't hate them as much as I do right now. But here are the hinges. Okay, so the hinges seem to work okay, but they need to be adjusted a little. The corners of the hood keep rubbing the cowl, so they just need a small adjustment, but in order for me to adjust them, I would have to remove the hinges and start over. So they look fine to me. I knew I would have to cut into the wheel wells to make room for the hinges when they go down, but I figured since the front wheels aren't going to be steerable, they're just going to be stationary, it should be okay. Here's my door hinges. I wanted to make them tight so that I can keep the interior without cutting into the dash. So here they go. I just placed the hinges by eye. I probably should have broke out my scientific calculator, but you know. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but my passenger door is sagging quite a bit. And I'm not too pleased with it, so I will have to fix this. Should have had that calculator. Whenever I'm using Tamiya putty on moving parts, I like to test them out before it cures all the way. So that kind of worked out in my favor at this point. And of course, we'll just reuse the same hinge. Okay, let's see if it worked.
Drum roll, please.
Okay, there you have it. A full 4-door with the trunk and hood opening. This was the first time that I ever hung 4 doors. So I was very happy once I did this. Now I can work on detailing the body and getting it nice and straight. Get rid of some of these little gaps in between the doors and work on the window frames, the corner lights, the marker lights, whatever. And yeah, I think, actually I don't know. I was gonna say that was the hard part, but who knows? So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, see you next time.